The building that we're in now is a historic building. It's a 1911 municipal government building from the district of Assiniboia, and then it became later St.James, Assiniboia. And the other very rare artifact that we have, again, is another building, which is the 1856 Red River Frame House that was owned by the William Brown family. And it's a designated building, and I'll say that the building that we're in, which is the 1911 building, is also soon to become designated. Both of these buildings on site are very, very rare and valuable. And the third building that we have depicts the history of the 1890s, and it's called our Interpretive Center, or Interpretive Exhibit Building. There's very valuable artifacts to do with from the pioneer life up to the time that St. James Assiniboia became a part of Unicity. And one of the really valuable pieces that we have in this building is the Orangeman's banner. This was a banner that was sent to the Canadian Conservation Institute, and it took about 4 years to do the restoration work on it, but this would have been a banner that was used in the early 1900s by the Orangeman's Lodge. And it has an image on both sides, actually. On this side it shows the fort, the fort that would have been just near the junction of the Red and the Assiniboia in the upper fort. One of the most important programs that we have within the museum is called our Environmental Theatre, and that's a program that takes place in the William Brown House, our 1856 Red River Frame House. And the script for this theatre, there are 2 students that are in costume from the 1890s, and it's a very authentic script. It was taken from diaries and journals from the William Brown family, and it depicts in the presentation what it was like growing up in the late 1800s. We do have schools coming from school divisions throughout the city, and also from the outlying rural areas. Each year we usually get a school coming in from areas such as Toulon and busing students in for the school programs. So it is a very well-known school program, and something that we've done for quite a number of years. And for those that can't come out to the museum, we also have a very active outreach program. We'll do programs in the schools, in the senior center, and wherever else we're asked to go to. So we are a year-round museum. We're open year-round, and during the what's considered, I guess, the off-season, the fall and winter, we take a lot of our programming off-site and go out to the community. We're a very community-based museum, but reaching out to as many groups as we can.